right, fox and goat. Put your first name, your last name, and your homeroom teacher. Number 1, based on the image, the reader can make the prediction about A, what the problem is, B, when the story takes place, C, how the characters solve the problem, D, why the characters behave as they do. Question number 2, which section or which paragraph of the text describes the problem? All right, which paragraph describes the problem? Lastly, number 3, based on the knowledge about a fox as a character in literature, what predictions might the reader make at the beginning of the text? A, fox will anger the goat. B, fox will feel sorry for the goat. C, fox will become friends with the goat. Or D, fox will trick the goat.